Here in the video, we will share the details for the Overwatch Error Code 0.0.0. The error reads, Error applying update unknown error. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch the game, but the update fails to apply. Some users shared that they were unable to join any match lobbies, including custom games and the training range. In many cases, the issue began after a system crash or right after the latest game update. According to our research, the error likely occurs due to update conflicts, corrupted files, or issues with system or network settings. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device. Simply shut down your gaming device and remove it from the power source. Then wait for around 5 minutes. Then restart your device and relaunch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try joining the practice range. If it lets you in, then re-queue again and see if this helps with the issue. If the error still persists, make sure to update all your drivers and your PC. After updating, restart your device and check for the error again. If the error still continues, then open the game launcher and scan and repair the game files. Once the scan is complete, check if the error still comes. If the error still doesn't resolve, try renaming the folder where the game is installed. Then launch the game and check if this helps with the error. If you still get the error, then press Windows key plus R, then type %local app data % and press OK. Then open the Blizzard Entertainment folder and delete the Overwatch folder. After that, disable all Windows startup programs. Then join the practice range to let the update apply, then close Overwatch. Then restart the game and confirm the issue. If the error still persists, press Windows key plus R, then type in@cpl.cpl and click OK. Then go to the Connections tab, then select Never Dial a Connection, then click LAN Settings, then uncheck Use a Proxy Server for your LAN and uncheck Automatically Detect Settings. Then check for the error. If the error still continues, then release and renew your IP and flush the DNS. This will help if there is any network conflict. After that, check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, then temporarily disable any security software or firewall you have enabled. Then restart Overwatch and see if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, uninstall Overwatch and reinstall it. Before uninstalling, make sure to back up any important data or files that may be deleted during the process. Once reinstalled, check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues, drop them in the comments below. Thank you.